Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mitsubishi Triton GLX, stock reference number 5326. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, front bumper cover, left hand headlight, right hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, aftermarket alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.